We'll survive.
I think I failed too.
You smart ass. Look at you.
Because I'm used to using, I got a little white, but I'm used to using a knife. I use leather ones all the time.
How much do you need? I'm assuming all of it.
Hey, wait, no.
Get white.
Oh, I
Taking it to the room. Because you're not doing it in one soup that should have been.
Yes, I have a little bit of an issue over here. We're getting a lot of light. We're not good. Is it okay? There's a lot of like this. Seafood. No. Okay, the cans are from the beach, okay? When they're broken, I don't like it. So we check that all of them, they're closed. Look, like this, if we press and nothing happens, I give you a small one, right?
Oh, that's what
You have
I
all of them are the same size?
She'll try it out.
Okay.
I can understand.
Okay.
Whoa. My watch stuck to the wall.
The magnetic.
Move that out better. I mean, this.
Trash bowl.
They're spinning.
3 prawns.
Three prawns.
Alright, number
I'm
two.
gonna
Spooning prawns.
Turn it on.
It's bubbling.
I thought, yeah, I was like, I gotta make sure that
What number?
Okay?
Sorry, what number?
Two.
And the same here.
Okay, for the
That
same
made
way.
that white now.
I had a beard until this morning.
Be careful. Lori.
No hair gel.
Oh, she gets the fire. Yes.
I don't have to worry about that.
Oh. I'm not very good.
Angela, fire it up.
That's why I want to show you.
Go on. Yeah, not with alcohol.
Everybody can make yours because we have an extra one. So
Okay.
it's up to you guys, okay? If not, Lori will do it for you guys, right?
And if I don't like you, I'm going to scorch it and burn it.
Oh,
Look.
I actually like the burner.
Tradition of my childhood.
Okay, two things. Very important when you do this at home, okay? Never add sugar in all of them at the same time because when you burn the last one, the cream absorb it, suck it out, and then it's not gonna caramelize it. And the best way to do this is burn the sugar when you're ready to serve it. And here we do it now because we don't have more time, okay? So, there's two things you need to remember. To turn this on to the left, okay? When we hear the gas, we press, okay, like this, and come here. Don't do like this. No, stay.
Steady hands.
Okay, and to the right, off. Okay, and that's it. Be careful to don't burn your hands. Okay, wait a minute, and just, all right? Go for it, guys. You
Yeah,
put everything back in
Don't
there.
caramelize your pie.
You mean like all the fish, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Tell me how to turn it on again.
Left
Turn it to the left.
And left, but there's fire. Like you gotta press the thing. With, yeah, there you go. I think I pressed my way too far.
Do you keep holding it? No.
Yeah. You keep holding it and then just move it around really slowly, really slowly. I was slowly doing the whole thing. Oh, this is so pretty, Matt.
You know.
He's the like the presentation.
Oh, it's uneven. What if you
It's
want?
uneven.
I don't know what to
What
do.
have you done wrong?
I'm confused.
Two here and two on the other side. See?
Of course.
Ding, ding. Monday to Saturday. Ding, ding, ding.
Ding, ding, ding.
Every day.
Looks pretty cute.
Every day.
Well done.
The smoke is just like